Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking permissions because the system often blocks apps. Open Settings, tap Privacy or Apps, and enable camera and microphone for the calling app. Once done, force close the app and restart your phone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure to toggle between front and rear cameras inside the app to spot whether one lens works. If the camera still shows black, take a quick photo in the camera app to verify hardware versus software problems before moving on. Now you focus on software. Update the calling app first because developers fix camera bugs often. If updating fails, uninstall and reinstall to reset corrupted app files. Clear the app cache or data in settings to remove bad temporary files. This often restores camera access. Then check for system updates. An OS or camera firmware patch can resolve driver-level issues. Make sure to reboot after updates. Don't skip that step, because many changes require a restart to take effect. Finally, you run advanced isolation. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks the camera. If it works there, uninstall recent apps until the fault disappears. Reset app preferences or perform a network settings reset if permissions and services remain tangled. Physically inspect the lens for dirt or damage. Clean gently with a microfiber cloth. If none of this helps, back up your data and contact manufacturer support or a repair shop. One key tip: always test in the native camera app first to confirm hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.